Converting your toilet's internal flush mechanism is quick and easy. It starts with a few simple tools and 10 short steps. Turn off the water supply and drain the tank. Disconnect the water supply from the tank. Remove the tank from the toilet. Disconnect the flush handle from the tank. Unscrew and remove the old flush valve. With all the old parts removed, now you're ready to install the TwoFlush valve. Install the TwoFlush valve and nut. Secure the tank back on the toilet. Measure and cut the TwoFlush arm to fit between the handle and the TwoFlush valve. Install the TwoFlush arms. Secure the arm with the clip. Insert the TwoFlush handles in the tank hole and connect the refill tube. TwoFlush, a powerful choice in conserving water and saving you money, is fully guaranteed.